Chief Minister Biren met with Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari during his 3-day visit to Delhi. He departed Imphal yesterday at around 1:45 p.m. for the trip. The people of Manipur had high hopes that the Chief Minister will meet with Prime Minister Narendra Modi after 14 months of unrest, expecting immediate solutions and peace. In his meeting with Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Chief Minister Biren discussed measures to restore peace and normalcy in the state. He also requested the transfer of Korengai All Airfield to the state government. Rajnath Singh assured him that efforts were ongoing to address the crisis and restore normalcy. Later, Chief Minister met with Union Minister Nitin Gadkari to discuss developmental projects including upgrades to highways across the state. He urged Nitin Gadkari to enhance road infrastructures in Manipur.